In this video, I will show you how to type Superscript with your keyboard. So you have to type Control plus Shift plus equal. So for example, you want to type X2. So now press and hold Control Shift equal. Now type 2 like this. To disable this superscript mode, again Control Shift equal sign. Now like Y, Control Shift equal sign and type superscript. So this is the method, guys. You can type superscript Control Shift plus equal. So this is the method, guys. You can type superscript using your keyboard. Control plus Shift plus equal to make it enable. Again, Control plus Shift plus equal to make it disable. So thanks for watching and try this one and comment if this method work for you or not.